talk about how to know if you'd make a good freelance copywriter. And I train Wordy Mamas how to make money as freelance copywriters. Let's talk about what types of qualities to look for. Might give you a clue as to whether or not freelance copywriting is in your future. You've probably always been a writer. You're the person that people come to when they need to say something and they don't know how to say it. You're really good at dialing in on how people are thinking, feeling, and what they're experiencing right now and putting it into words. You're not afraid to get your hands dirty with a little internet research. You like geeking out over what makes people tick. Why do they do the things they do? What really triggers those purchase decisions? You love working with your clients and helping them create magic in their marketing campaigns. Exact how and why and technicalities of what makes sales copy convert can be taught, but the heart and soul of it can't. Your ability to connect with people and clearly communicate what the client needs you to is paramount. So what do you think? Freelance copywriting in your future? Comment below and let me know. Follow for more tips on how to start a freelance copywriting business as a mama.